Hi, it's Miriam again. In this video, I show you how to perfect your flip with your feedbacks. To perfect your flip, search the frequently asked questions and feedbacks of your assignments for ambiguities, mistakes, or hints about the usability. Then hone your texts. Structure your assignments and create a consistent layout. Frequently asked questions are often related to unclear instructions. Analyze them and complement your assignments. The web page on the left is mostly a file repository. The page on the right uses the possibility of the web with embedded videos and hyperlinks. So ask yourself, can I add additional informations or change a term to clarify the assignments, or add an illustration or video to complement the text? Hone your assignments constantly to avoid unnecessary questions in the future. Feedbacks can give you hints about unclear assignments. Take this cooking recipe as a model. This well-arranged layout with a short introduction, an overview, a list of ingredients, and directions helps people even with low reading skills to follow the instructions. Can you structure your assignments accordingly? In the end, your institution may even acquire a learning management system like Moodle or Ilias for sophisticated course management with an adaptive web design for mobile devices. This is a well-structured online assignment with the objectives, the framed assignment, a forum to peer review the assignments, additional information about assignments, and at the bottom a collapsible accordion with the different sources like videos, papers, or central questions to enable deeper thinking and problem solving. But whether you use a simple document or a sophisticated website, try to create a uniform layout that your students get accustomed to it. They should not lose time with the form when they should learn the content. And now I wish you all the best with your flipped classroom.